Okay guys, welcome back to day 6 of our 21-day Yoga HIIT Workout Challenge. Today's mantra is going to be, I am focused. So building off yesterday's I am present, today we are focused. So roll your mat, grab some water, and let's get started. Okay everyone, you made it to day 6. Great job. Give yourself a pat on the back. Almost a full week of our 21-day challenge. So today you're in for a treat. Today's going to be a little bit more intense. Probably the most intense workout that we've done so far. So we're going to start off with some sun salutations, the normal sun salutations just to warm up. And then we're gonna turn it up a notch. So let's step to the top of our mat. Feet are together or hip width distance apart. Repeat our mantra, I am focused. I am focused. Tap into this focus, this energy. And when you're ready, we'll inhale, bring the hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back, lower knees, chest, chin to the mat. Elbows hug in. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, back to downward facing dog. Pedaling out your legs, waking up the hamstrings. Inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise. Exhale, hands through heart. By your sides. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back, lower knees, chest, chin to the mat. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. I am focused, coming back to our breath. Inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float to the top. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise. Exhale, hands through heart by your sides. One more, here we go. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the palms, step it back, lower knees, chest, chin. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. We're about to turn it up, guys. So take a nice little rest here. Inhale, tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise. Exhale, hands through heart by your sides. Okay guys, so we're gonna kick the intensity up a notch. So we're gonna start off by doing squats, push-ups, and bicycles. So we're gonna start off by doing 15 squats, 15 push-ups, 15 seconds of bicycles, and then jump right back into the squats, do 10 squats, 10 push-ups, 10 seconds of bicycles, and then 5 squats, 5 push-ups, 5 seconds of bicycles. So let's start off right away in the squats, bringing our feet as wide as the mat. So we got 15. 10 more. 5 more. And 15, then let's jump right into our push-ups. We got 15 push-ups. Option to go on the knees if you need to. Let's make our way onto our backs. We got 15 seconds of bicycles. 5 more seconds. And from here, let's make our way back up. So we got 10 squats. Here we go. 5. And 10. Give me 10 push-ups. 5. 10. Make our way onto our backs. We got 10 seconds of bicycles. 5 more seconds. And back to squats. Just 5 this time. And 5 push-ups. And 5 seconds of bicycles. Let's do 10 seconds just for fun. Just because we can. 5 more seconds. Great work, everyone. So let's take a little rest here on our backs. Option to take a little water break here. Okay. So from here we're going to do alternate leg raises. So let's just bring both our feet up towards the sky. You might also call these scissor kicks. So we're going to keep one leg lifted, bring one leg closer to the ground, not letting it touch the ground, letting it hover, and then we're going to switch. Okay, so let's bring both legs up to the sky, and we'll begin first by dropping our left leg down, hovering here for a few seconds. And switch. And switch, that's 2, let's do 10. Switch, 3. Switch, 4. Keep those abs engaged. Switch, 5, halfway done. Switch, 6. Switch, 7. 3 more. Switch, 8. Switch, 9. 1 more. Switch, 10. Bring your knees into your chest. I am sweating. Whew. Okay, from here, we're going to move into a reclined pigeon pose. So we can bring the sole of the left foot to the mat and place our right foot on top of our left thigh, bringing our right knee out wide. And then you can pick the left leg up, thread your hands through, grabbing around the left thigh or the left hamstring. And we're just stretching here. Breathing into the right hip, keeping the feet flexed. I am focused. And let's take it over to the other side, crossing the left foot over the right thigh, keeping the feet flexed, breathing into the left hip. And exhale, release. From here, let's do 15 rounds of reverse crunches. So bringing our knees in towards our chest and then letting our toes just tap the mat before bringing them back in again. So let's begin here. So that's 1, 2, 3. 9, 10, let's do 5 more. Since we're so focused, let's do 5 more. Don't hate me. 4, 5. Whew. Good job, everyone. So from here, planting the feet into the mat once again. We'll come into a bridge pose, lifting our hips up towards the sky. Option to clasp your hands together. Just breathing here. I'm focused. So 5 more breaths here. Exhale, release back down, and from here, let's do 30 seconds of heel touches, so rocking side to side, touching our heels. Let's begin. Halfway. 5 more seconds. And you're done. Come onto your back. We'll do some supine twists, stretching out the abs, so extending the left leg out long, hugging the right knee in, guiding our right knee over to the left. Our right arm can come to a T. Make sure that you keep both shoulders on the mat. Feeling a nice stretch on your right side body. Exhale, come back to center, and we'll take it over to the other side, extending the right leg long, hugging the left knee in, guiding our left knee over to the right side. Left arm can come to a T, keeping both shoulders on the mat. Exhale, come back to center. Hug both knees into the chest, and we'll rock up and down, massaging the spine. And we'll come forward, and we'll take a cobra pose. Looking one way, and then the other. And we'll end today's practice in a nice extended child's pose. Great work, everyone. 6 days in the books. Tomorrow will mark our first week. Great job, everyone. That's so awesome. Already a third done, pretty much. So from here, let's bring our hands together at our heart. Thank you so much for joining me today. Day 6 in the books. Thank you so much for being a part of this amazing journey. I love it. I love seeing your support and seeing growth within all your bodies. It really brings me joy and passion and makes me even more passionate about this YouTube channel and making these videos for you guys. So yeah, thank you. And let's bring our hands together at our hearts. The light me honors and bows to the light in all of you. Thank you so much. Namaste. I'll see you tomorrow.